Welcome to my short video. I am TechPirat from the beautiful Düsseldorf. Today it's about workshop practice again. A very simple story. You have likely already failed at it or are currently failing at it, otherwise you would not have started the video. Specifically, you require internet connection to install your Windows 11 operating system. In this video, I will provide a concise demonstration of how you can proceed without an internet connection, bypassing the necessity of linking to a Microsoft account. That's actually very easy and also works. You just have to know how. Everything else after the intro. If you receive this message or a similar one, you can perform the following action. You simply need to press the Shift key and the F10 key. Then you get the opportunity to enter something here. This is the so-called command prompt. Yes, if you have then opened the window, then you basically have to enter it like this. You automatically end up in the Windows System 32 folder, and then you have to enter OOOBE, then backslash, which you can get by pressing the Alt-GR key and the sharp S, the backslash is hidden there, and then bypass NRO, and then basically just press enter. The computer will then promptly and automatically restart in order to modify the setting that you have just made and apply the changes. What modifications have you made? You have now informed him. Be cautious. Kindly ensure the ability to install without an internet connection as well. Similar to Windows 10, it's not connected to the internet. Why are we doing this? For what reason? We are pleased to do this because we are also configuring the computers for the customer in this instance, and then we are unable and do not wish to acquire knowledge of his Microsoft account. And that's why we basically do it and then install the Windows 11 computers without internet for the customer, and then the customer can later link it themselves with their Microsoft account. At this moment, you only have to confirm the things you just confirmed again. It is important to ensure the accuracy by verifying them once more for the suitable country of your preference, and then there should be an additional selection here at this moment. Exactly, and you do not have that, and it says, I do not have any internet. He might still know that from Windows 10. And then he puts the restriction in place after confirming it once again. Yes, I would prefer to work with a limited service that has certain limitations in place. Then he performs the installation, so to speak, without internet access, and subsequently you are able to connect it to the internet in order to download updates or any other necessary content. If username assigned, password requested. Tip: if no password entered, press enter, passwordless installation, automatic login. Username assignment prompts password request. Tip: no password, press enter. No password installation, computer auto logs in. You can also assign a password afterwards, so we do it to make it as easy as possible for the customers. Then he should assign himself his own password at this location later, and then it will be fine. Yes, as you have seen, a fairly simple way to quickly install a Windows 11 computer without linking it to the annoying Microsoft account, or alternatively, without connecting to the internet. As I previously mentioned, you are now able to start up the computer in the usual manner. He needs a little time to set up, and then you can connect it to the internet afterwards when you have internet, so that you can download all the updates. Or simply commence working directly. That is merely the possibility. An account with Microsoft is not mandatory in this particular case. Undoubtedly, Microsoft wants that. They have undeniably borrowed some elements from Apple's innovations. This is partially naturally beneficial because your key star is stored there, particularly when you encrypt the hard drive. Then your operating programs are stored there if they originate from Microsoft. You can easily reinstall it at a later point once you have successfully linked it to the account. However, for those of us in the workshop, this is naturally unhelpful, and many do not even desire or require this Microsoft account, this connection. So you now have a good approach to how you can do it. What you make of it, you have to decide for yourself. Yes, that was it with the short video from the workshop. I hope you liked it. Leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until next time, your TechPirat.